What's up, boys? Lightning McQueen here. I'm at Riverdale Metro North Station. Let's take a look inside. Hey, this one even has an elevator. Since my train is due at 11:27, because I missed the first one. Let's take a look at the elevators, okay? Here we go. Here we go. City ticket, 35 minutes. Okay. You could use whichever machine you want. Sure looks good. Push for heat. So without further ado, let's get the elevator tour started. What's up, boys? Lightning McQueen here with another episode of Elevator Interviews. I'm at Riverdale in Bronx, New York. Took the BXM2 to get there. Alright, let's take a look at these precious elevators. Isn't the water view beautiful? Yeah, I'm not taking no damn stairs. Okay, let's go to 1. And there we go. The capacity is 2,500 pounds. Cool. The elevator is located at the front. No trains yet. Now I'm gonna check the one heading northbound, but like I said, I'm not heading northbound, I'm heading southbound. But since I have plenty of time, let's take a look. Going up. Man, I love the sound of those bells. There's the one heading northbound, and there's the Hudson Rail Link bus. Let's try the Croton, Harmon, and Poughkeepsie bound elevator. Here it comes. There are 2 doors for this one. Same design. It's just like the one at Gun Hill Road by the 5 train. And the capacity is 2,500 pounds. Sure is good. Looks good. Take a look at this. Sure looks pretty. This is where you can park your bikes. There are only local trains that stop here that are heading to Croton Harmon. Let's take it back up. I can't believe that both of those elevators have the same capacity, don't you think? Man, it's all the way up. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy my rail ticket. Not to Grand Central, but Yankees instead. You know, to save a little money. Plus, I'm heading afterwards, take the B train back. That's it for the elevator tours on both sides. See you next time, boys. Oh, sorry. That's better. See you next time, boys. Thanks so much for watching.